is all I see. I could do like my daddy, grow plants back in the hill. But come to think I'd better not, 'cause that's what got him killed.